What if you could invest in companies that are undergoing big changes like IPOs, mergers, or new leadership right when they are about to take off? That's the idea behind the Motilal Oswal Special Opportunities Fund. But does special mean smarter investing or just higher risk? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this one, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an NFO. So, the opening date of this is 25th July 2025 and its closing date is 8th August 2025. And some of the key features of the NFO are: this is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity thematic, and it has Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark index, and there is an exit load of 1% for redemption within 3 months, but there is no entry load. So the minimum investment amount required to invest in this fund is just 500 rupees, and the fund managers of this NFO are Mr. Ajay Khandalwal, Mr. Atul Mehra, Mr. Rakesh Shetty, and Mr. Balchandra Shinde. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective of this fund is that it seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in opportunities presented by special situations such as corporate restructuring, mergers and acquisitions, government policy or regulatory changes, disruption, upcoming and new trends and new emerging sectors, company or sectors going through temporary but unique challenges, and other similar instances. So now, as we have a basic idea about this NFO, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze the pros and cons of invest in the Motilal Oswal Special Opportunities Fund. So let's start with the advantages. Number one, unique theme-based strategy. The fund focuses on companies going through special situations like turnarounds, restructurings, or recent listings, which could unlock hidden value. Number two, potential for high alpha. If timed right, these special opportunities can lead to strong outperformance compared to traditional diversified funds. And number three, fund manager flexibility. Thematic funds allow more freedom in stock picking, enabling the manager to move quickly on emerging trends. Number four, suitable for aggressive investors. Those looking beyond regular equity categories may find this theme appealing for tactical exposure. So these are some of the advantages of investing in this NFO. Now let's take a look at the disadvantages. So number one, high risk, high reward strategy. Special situation investing comes with uncertainty. Not all stories play out as expected. Number two, performance can be inconsistent. Returns may swing based on how well the fund capitalizes on unique opportunities, and not every year brings strong themes. Number three, narrow investment focus. Being a thematic fund, diversification is limited compared to flexi-cap or multi-cap funds. Number four, not ideal for conservative or short-term investors. The fund may not suit those seeking steady growth or low volatility over shorter time frames. So what is the final takeaway? Is investing in the Motilal Oswal Special Opportunities Fund worth it or not? So this is a fund built for investors who believe in spotting underdog stories before they go mainstream. It can add value for those with a high risk appetite, a long-term view, and an interest in thematic or tactical investing. However, for most long-term investors, building a stable portfolio, core funds with broader diversification may be a better fit. As always, make sure your investments align with your goals, and if unsure, speak to a certified financial planner before investing. So our personal recommendation is that if you're a first-time investor or even if you're a conservative investor, you should avoid investing in a thematic NFO like this. There are other similar existing thematic funds with a track record of at least 7 to 10 years where you can analyze how it has performed across market cycles for you to be able to take a calculated risk. But here, without any proper research or investment, will be very risky because it will be like taking a blind risk. So if you're looking for funds for your core portfolio, definitely avoid investing in this fund. And also, if you do not know when to enter and exit from a thematic fund because you cannot time it right, even for a seasoned investor, it is hard to predict that. So definitely avoid investing in an NFO like this. And if you do want some professional guidance, you can consult with a financial planner who will look into the suitability of this fund's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, and allocation to help you make better choices, which will give you better outcomes in the long run.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.